Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Y'all, today I'm going to be throwing it back just a little bit. And this little recipe goes way, way back. It is a nostalgic delicacy, if you will. We had this growing up in a little different, but it's pineapple salad. Now, you may have had it if you grew up anywhere in the South, honey. You have had pear salad or pineapple salad. I honestly don't prefer the pear texture as much as the pineapple. I love pineapple. So we are going to do pineapple. Now, this can be done all kind of different ways. I'm going to do it 2 different kind of ways today. But
she's going to do me some.
I'm going to do him some, yes.
And her some.
And me some.
His and hers.
His and hers, honey. And this is a refreshing little salad that goes with just about anything. And so let's get to putting it together. I've got me some lettuce, nothing fancy, just I tore some lettuce off, honey, made a little bed. Nothing fancy at all. Now I'm going to just put a little pineapple on each of these. Did y'all eat these growing up? Because, honey, we absolutely loved this. And it's so simple. So very simple. And I'm just going to do 4 because it's just me and James Russell. But so quick, if you got a large family or company coming over, whatever, you can whip this up real quick. Now, for me, it's Duke's all the way, honey. Duke's mayonnaise. I'm just going to put, and you just scoop a little bit of Duke's and put it in the middle. Now, some people, if you don't like mayonnaise, Russell's getting whipped cream cheese.
Yeah.
He likes cream cheese. But if you don't like that, also I've had it with some cottage cheese. And some people do it with sour cream. So you do you. Do it with whatever you want to do it with.
However you want to fix it up.
However you want to fix it up. But this is really, really, really simple. And I've only run into very few people that have not had this. Let me get the mayonnaise off my finger here. And, but everybody around here in our neck of the woods, honey, you've had pear salad or pineapple salad for the most part. But this is, like I said, this is an oldie but a goodie. Now, we're going to put some cream cheese on James Russell.
Yeah.
Got him some little, and I got the whipped cream cheese, so I wouldn't be like,
spread a little bit
yes,
better, yeah.
Trying to be doing and doing. We ain't trying to be doing and doing. We're just going to put a little bit right there, like so. Yeah. I just put my hand back in my mayonnaise.
I think mine looks better than hers.
Is that enough cream cheese for you?
Yeah, that looks good.
Okay.
Yeah. A dab will do you.
A dab will do you. And now,
how do y'all like y'all? Let's see what y'all like on y'all's pear or pineapple salad.
Y'all know, already know, I shred my cheese, so that's why I sent a big old Ziploc.
Yeah.
Let's get this out the way. Got a little extra pineapple there.
We're going to take care of that too.
Yes.
That ain't going to waste, y'all.
No, so we'll just put a little cheese on top. Just like this. And I know if you've never had this, it might be a weird, you might think
it sounds like a weird combination.
A weird combination, but I promise you, it is so good. Mama used to make these and we get so excited, like, oh, we having us a little salad here, because it's almost like a dessert, but yet it's savory too. Get some cheese. Now, you gotta top it.
Gotta have a topping.
You gotta have a cherry
Can't have
on
a salad
top.
without a dressing.
No, well, you got to have a cherry on top. That's all.
Well, I mean, that's like a salad dressing.
Yep.
Yeah.
You can even drizzle just a little bit of that cherry juice over it. What? And see how quick it is? Now, this is a side. This is great, like if we grill some chicken or... Yeah. I'm going to just put a little drizzle. Just a little bit.
Yeah.
Nothing, not getting crazy or nothing.
Don't get carried away, but it's, hey.
But there it is. Look how quick and easy. So simple. And like I said, this is a throwback, y'all. And I do work with a girl. She said, I've never had that. So this is really for her. But perfect little side. And like I said before,
it's a summertime recipe.
It's summertime, yes, honey.
It's getting there.
It is, but these are great just to have in the refrigerator, just grab as a little snack even. It's some good stuff. So you ready to give it a little taste to rest them? All right, let's do it. All right, y'all. We're going to try our little treat out.
Yeah.
And he's got his little cream cheese one. I got my little mayo, my little Dukes.
Yeah.
So we're just going to dig in. And I have seen this, y'all, done as a salad. Honestly, like a whole salad.
Really?
I have.
With dressing?
With a little dressing. I think it was like a little balsamic dressing or something.
Balsamic sounds like it would go good with it.
Yeah.
Especially with the cream cheese.
Mayo too.
Good.
It is good. Yummy, yummy.
Really good.
And I love the mayo in mine. That just takes me back. This is how we had it growing up.
Man. A little crunch with the lettuce. Man, that's good, y'all.
Yeah, a little sweet, a little savory.
Yeah.
And that little cherry on top.
It's delicious. It's delicious.
It really is.
The cheese, you would not think that goes, but it really does pair.
It just
really
works.
Well. Yeah,
it works
it
out
does.
really good.
It does.
Yeah, I bet balsamic would be good. Just
I bet it would too. Yeah.
over the top.
Over the top. Yeah. Yeah, I'm surprised at how well it goes together.
It does.
Yeah. I want to go in for another bite.
Did you eat this growing up?
No.
Of course.
Y'all know I don't. I don't eat anything.
He did, and somebody did ask me, why does he eat so different than me? And he told me, he said his mom was a super picky eater. She still is to this day. She will not eat anything that flies and anything that swims. No seafood, no chicken, no kind of bird.
Nope.
So he, I guess, was kind of limited in what they had. But honey, we was over there doing all kind of everything. Mama was getting down over there trying to find cheap stuff, little budget meals. And this really brings back memories for me because I just really enjoyed it. Even if it had a pear on it, I got through the grittiness. But I just loved
I was still picky when we met.
He was.
I was very picky. Yep.
I've
come a long way with
He has. I'm so proud of him.
Yeah.
He didn't know. His idea of vegetables was French fries.
True. That's a true statement.
Now, he did eat beans. He loves beans.
Well,
He's
yeah, I grew
always
up
loved
eating beans because that's what we ate. But
and he would eat green beans.
Yeah.
Other than that, honey, no vegetables. So now he's graduated. He eats collards and all kind of stuff.
Yep. And I appreciate how good her stuff is. It really had a lot to do with this channel. She's like, oh, well, anybody can make this and anybody can make that. And that's not true. When you go out and eat other stuff, you're like, oh, honey, ooh.
That's true. A lot of people don't do collards.
No, you cannot find good collard greens. You just cannot.
Hardly ever.
If you find people that make good collard greens, go eat there because most people cannot. And a lot of it has to do with they just don't take the time to wash them and clean them the right way.
Get all them stems off.
Yeah, and all them stems. Why do they put all them stems in there? I don't get it. People don't want to eat all that.
No, they do not.
I guess because it fills, restaurants use it to fill the bowl or whatever instead of, all the leaves, they have to put more of them or whatever.
Because it cooks down.
But still, we don't want to eat that. Nobody want to eat that. Huh?
No. But he has come a long way. I'm very proud of him.
Yeah.
And this, honestly, this channel, he has tasted things because y'all are watching him.
Yeah, y'all.
He would have never tasted.
Y'all make me accountable, and I'm glad of it, to be honest, because it makes me try stuff that I normally would not try, I would not taste, and
he steps out of his comfort zone.
I really do. And really, it's
it's been a success because he's like, that's really good.
It is.
Yeah.
And I may not go back to it and choose it, given the opportunity. It may not be the first thing I put on my plate, but at least I know what it tastes like. At least if I'm, there, I'm like, well, I've had that before.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, I've had that before. Yeah,
At Easter, he was eating stuff he normally didn't eat.
That's exactly right. I sure did.
Yep, I was proud of him. But anyway, y'all, I know this is really simple, and like I said, but everybody's not had it.
That's right. And it's getting to that time of year where, you're starting to do gatherings and people are starting to barbecue and go to the lake and do pool parties. And you're looking for quick stuff to put together and,
light and refreshing.
Yeah, it's that kind of year. Yeah, it's that time of year, and we want to try to give y'all that
But this
kind of
is a
recipe.
perfect little side, like I said, for anything grilled.
Yeah.
Grilled chicken, grilled pork
This would
chops.
go perfect with some grilled chicken. I
Anything.
mean, yeah, it would be.
It's good.
Yeah, yeah.
But anyway, y'all, thank you so much for hanging out with us,
Yep.
putting up with our nonsense.
Yeah, we appreciate it.
We do. We just love all of yous. And until next time.